Okay, good morning everybody. Today we're going to take the wiring harness that was provided with the DKD speedometer, and according to the wiring diagram that they've got and my wiring diagram, the colors actually match up on a number of the things. So see, like here we've got headlight is blue, right turn is light blue, and left turn is orange. And you go over here, we've got orange coming off of here going directly up to the speedometer, which says left turn. And on the that was the left turn. Then the right turn is light blue. It comes up and then goes up also to the speedometer. So these are already essentially the same on each speedometer. So I can splice these into my new harness line, and I may go ahead. They've got these junctions which I don't have the room in under my headlights, so I'm going to pull those off and I'm going to solder the wires together so that they connect into my full harness. It's just kind of ridiculous to be having crap like this. I've got so much. Well, let me pull this off right now and you can take a look at what we got under the headlight, or under the fairing here. And we wrap it up so it's nice and tight. Okay, so this stuff is essentially out of our way. This is the thing in the butt. Okay, so we have this clipping into this. So this wire here, this blue, it comes up here. You got a light blue. Okay, let me tell you what we're got. How the hell did I do with that? Hang on, let's get a light in here. Right. Well, the dogs are having a good time. Lady, get the ball. There you go. Get her, Blue. Get her. Get her. Blue, get her. Get her. Anyway. Okay, so these are my existing leads. So this thing's going to come off. So I've got my left turn signal should be this one. My right turn signal should be this one. And then the dark blue right here should be my high beam, low beam. So what I need to do is splice these wires together, make sure I get everything right. A lot of these wires, so that's the dark blue. Let's see, I've got a bunch of stuff here that actually needs to be, god damn it, shit all over the place, I just don't have any room. Okay, so get this shit out of here. Okay, move this over so we've got a little more light. So, okay, so these are the green is negative. Neutral line we no longer need, so that's the green, and let's see, that is the neutral line. This green is negative. Now we got a bunch of shit here. So what I need to do is extract my all this stuff. Look, goes up in here and runs in. I need to pull this unit off so I can figure out what is what. Okay, well, anyway, so you get the idea what we're doing. We're going to be taking these wires, transferring them from this, and we're going to put them on. Let's see, here's what we're doing. Okay, so these wires match specific terminals. Color coded, it's pretty damn good. Differences on this, like the purple is the ground that goes into the unit. That purple will actually go into the green, which is, where's
green ground is here. Shit. Light green is to a neutral diode. And it's a light green and blue, so with my dark green here is my ground. That might be green and black, I can't tell. Okay. Alright. Yeah, that's a green and black, there's a green and white. So the light green, and there's a gray. I don't see a gray, but I can see where is it. Light blue. God, I wish they had a head on, they're just telling you colors. So, green, white and blue. What is gray? We do have a gray, right? Gray is gray. Okay, I don't see a gray going into that. It is in this switch, so I take these apart. Oh boy. I may get myself into a bit hot water here. So these guys will work. And the others, I have no idea what all these are. Okay, so, yes I do actually.
so my ground is green, and then we have a light green and blue, I guess. We have a black and red, which is that's irrelevant and no longer necessary. We have a red and white. SP signal, I'm not sure what the hell that is. Then we have SP ground. SP then we have green, we have a black. Black goes, where the hell does black go? Okay, black goes to the fuse box. So that's power in, apparently. Green. So the black is the ground. Well, we have a green that's ground too. Shit. Then we have a light green and blue. Not sure which one that is. You know what? I'm going to pull this jack out and try and determine which is which. So I'm going to let you guys off the hook here for a little bit. You get the gist. So we're going to be matching these colors to these colors. Excuse me, these colors. So as you can see, we've got similar pairs. This purple is a ground for that switch, so I will be converting over one of these ground wires to that. Let's see, what was the black and green? Green and black. Okay, that says that's the SP ground. SP ground goes to the VS sensor, so that's non-existent. So we got 3 coming off the VS sensor. Yeah, we got a red and white. Where the hell does that go? Okay, that goes into that. So the red and white goes, the black and green goes, and the black and red. Okay, those are all non-issues anymore. All right, so with that happy note, I'm going to let you guys go, and I'll get back to you when I've got this thing apart and figured out more what I'm doing. But it looks pretty straightforward from here, so I'll let you guys go for now. Aloha. Well, good evening, everybody. I just wanted to show you where we're at right now. What I did is I soldered in my wiring harness for my DKD speedometer. Went through everything, got set a 12-volt battery in here and tested everything, but unfortunately I think it's going to take 72 volts in that DKD. There's a lot of conflicting information in their manual, but so I've got to go through this. So this is pretty much where I'm at, just spending time trying to get this thing done. Tomorrow or the next day I've got to fabricate up a bracket for the speedometer, and then I don't think I'm going to really be able to troubleshoot this out until I get the 72 volt battery for the bike here, because it's got some real, I mean, the Chinese aren't the best at manuals. You know, I think there's a lot of confusion in the language barrier. So anyway, and I did get some LED bulbs for the bike, but now I got to get a flasher for it because they flash too fast. I mean, it doesn't flash now because the LED doesn't draw enough power to operate the flasher. So anyway, I just thought I'd give you a quick rundown of where we're at and what's going on. But God, I got to go back inside. It is chilly out here. Anyway, talk to you guys later.